Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we will be unboxing the Xiaomi AX1800. This is a Wi-Fi 6 capable router and it's also capable of mesh networking. What is the most important and attractive thing about this device is that it is like 50 bucks and you can run 3 of these in a mesh setup, so that you have a Wi-Fi 6 capable mesh setup for $150, which is pretty much an unbeatable price. Maybe only the Honor or Huawei routers can match that price to value proposition. We will be taking this out of this plastic packaging and then we will get started. See you there. Yeah, so first we have to peel out this plastic packaging, which will reveal the box itself, which is made out of some matte soft cardboard, and everything on this box is written in Chinese, so there is not much that we can see or read about this. Now let's open the box itself. At the top of it we have an Ethernet cable. We pull out this little tab to reveal the router itself, which is covered in this plastic sleeve. We have the power adapter, which is also a barrel plug. And at the bottom we have some documentation, which is probably in Chinese, so it is not of much use to us. Now let's take out the router itself. It feels really nice. It does not feel as hollow as the AX3600, and it's pretty compact. It has this rubber padding in the bottom so that you do not scratch any surface that you place it on. As you can see, it's really small. It feels really nice. So I will be setting this up in a mesh setup with an AX3600. And there are also some things that are worth noting here. It has 4 Ethernet ports, one of which is the WAN port, and it does not have any USB ports, which is unfortunate, just like the AX3600. On a future video I will be talking to you about my experience setting up the devices and how they perform. So we'll be seeing you the next time.